Hey, what's up YouTube? My name is Justin, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple solution to making your first Clickbank sales. As you can see, this is one of my Clickbank accounts and I'm averaging around $700 a week, and I'm making $200 sale days and $400 sale days, which is pretty crazy. I believe you can get the same results if you learn what I'm about to show you, and most importantly take action and implement these strategies. So watch the video all the way to the end if you want to learn exactly step by step how I made these results. Okay, so what you need to do first is create a free Clickbank account. It's always free. Go to clickbank.com and create an account. Once you've done that, you want to click on affiliate marketplace, and basically Clickbank has a list of websites that you can choose to promote in different categories. You can get anywhere from 50 to 75% of the money if you can get someone to purchase the Clickbank product that you're promoting through your affiliate link. So let me show you what I mean. What I did was I clicked on cooking and food, and then I sort the results by gravity, and I looked for a offer of that looked of high value and good information. Basically don't want to choose something that's shifty. So how you do that is you click onto the product and you have a look at it, make sure it looks like high value, and basically review it. Okay, so I chose Metabolic Cooking Fat Loss Cookbook to make these results. So once you found a product, this is the one that I used, you want to click on promote, and then you want to type in your username that you signed up for Clickbank with, and then click on create, and then that's it. You got your affiliate link right there. So that's what your affiliate link is. Now the next thing I did was I created a simple opt-in page using ClickFunnels to collect people's emails first, then we send them to our affiliate link. The reason why I want to get people's emails first is because if they go to our affiliate link and they don't buy the product, that's pretty much it. They're gone forever. That's a customer that's never coming back. But if we send them to a funnel page like this one I created with ClickFunnels, we can get their email and send them more similar affiliate links and offers to their email, which made me a lot more money personally. So this is how the funnel page looks. You've probably seen something similar to this. It shows what we're talking about, the product that we're going to take them to, and then they click on yes, send me this free report. They type in their email, click on yes, send me the free report, and then they get taken to the affiliate product or affiliate page. But now we've got them on our emailing list, which we can market to over and over again until they choose to opt out, which rarely happens if you're providing value, obviously. So we need to get people who are interested in this specific product to visit our landing page. So we basically need targeted traffic. So what I did was I went to buy sell ads and went into their marketplace, and I clicked here on food and drink, which is something that can relate to the offer. And then I found this website here, recipetips.com. There's a bunch of them, but I chose this one. So basically with buy sell ads, we can pay them to put a banner advertisement a lot cheaper than other campaign sites like Facebook and get good to high quality traffic, which is exactly what I did. As you can see, buy sell ads is telling me this specific website is getting 720,000 monthly impressions. What that means is almost 1 million people will see the ad pop up on the website, and it's telling me all I need to do is pay $3 to see my ad pop up on the website. So this is the website, recipetips.com. And basically it's saying sidebar above the fold, which would be right about here. My ad would pop up right here where this one is. Now as you can see, this website does actually talk about recipe tips, and the demographic, it seems like it's female cooking recipes. So obviously that relates to the Clickbank product that we're promoting. So you want the Clickbank product and the buy sell ads product that you choose to go hand in hand, pretty much, is what I'm saying. So what I needed to do now is go to the affiliate tools page for this Clickbank offer and see if they have any sample banners they give to their affiliates. If they don't have any, we can simply create our own. So I went back to Clickbank Marketplace, Clickbank Affiliate Marketplace, and I found the affiliate tools for the offer. So let me quickly go back to it. Where is it? Alrighty. So they usually have the affiliate tools page underneath already. You can copy it. If they don't have it, you can just basically scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, and they usually have an affiliate section down here. So you click there. We'll go through the marketplace. And I went to the affiliate tools page, and sometimes it won't show. So yeah, go down to the bottom and click on affiliate. So as you can see, they provide banner ads over here. Banner ads already. So I clicked on banner ads. And now we need to find a size that matches the buy sell ads website banner placement. So on buy sell ads recipe tips, it says the banner placement needs to be 300 by 250. So I had an option of creating my own banner or resizing the one that they have over here. They don't have a 300 by 250. So what I did was I just downloaded the 250 by 250 and resized it in Paint to 300 by 250, and it looks something like this, and it still looks perfectly fine. So what I did was, so yeah. Now, do you think the people on this recipe tips website would want a product that can offer them healthier alternatives to recipe ideas? Of course they would. So I know that the Clickbank offer and the buy sell ads website go hand in hand and should convert into sales. So the next thing I did was paid buy sell ads $3, and then they simply asked me to upload the banner and provide a link, which I linked them to the funnel, and it's as simple as that. I started getting commissions a few days later. It's very simple. So if you're still confused, let me show you the model of how it works so you can understand it more clearly. So you upload your banner placement to buy sell ads list of websites you can choose from. Obviously you want to choose a website that is relating to your Clickbank affiliate offer. Then you can either send them to your affiliate link and hope they buy the product, but if they don't, you just lost potential customers. So what we want to do is send them to a landing page where you ask for their email, and then once they've submitted their email, it redirects them to your affiliate link. But now we have them on our emailing list where our autoresponder can potentially sell them more products or the same product down the road and even get more sales, because not everyone wants to buy something straight away, and it's easier to convince someone in email marketing over and over again. So I just showed you the exact steps I did to generate all the sales on this Clickbank account. I showed you the strategy, the traffic source, and I specifically showed you my personal landing page and the offer I'm promoting. Now, if you want to learn how to create high converting landing pages and learn how to start your own email autoresponder and affiliate business, then what I've done is provided you with the /1 rated affiliate trading program that's out there that I personally use. You can go to the link in the description to learn how to make your first $10,000 online. And let me tell you, before you go anywhere, this is unlike any other program I've ever seen. You get a comprehensive training video when you start, and then you complete the action steps for the day, and then tick the session complete when you're done. And then 24 hours later, you will receive an email with your next training video and action steps to follow. And it's impossible to fail this way. I've seen my students succeed countless times with this program. so don't take my word for it. What this program has done is removed all information overload, overwhelming confusion, and has left you with only the best tools for you to start making money online right now. Every video session has Facebook comments underneath the training steps of people reviewing the session and talking about it. And you can only see positive, successful people interacting inside of it. So if you're wondering if it's a scam, it's really not. Now, as a bonus, I'd like to give you a few ideas of Clickbank products you can pair with buy-sell ads websites. I'm not guaranteeing these will make you a lot of money. You'll have to test them for yourself. But I'd say that these are a green light from me personally. Again, don't take my word for it. You'll have to do your own research, but I'll leave you a few ideas you can test for yourself in the description also. So again, click the link in the description so you can see what I'm talking about. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more honest training videos, please subscribe. And if you'd like to ask me anything, comment down below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Stay in touch, guys. God bless.